3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, time to start. Helo, Helen dwi, a croeso I ddeg am 3. Welcome back to your daily Welsh lesson, 10 minutes at 3. Shwd wyt ti? Da iawn? Iawn? Wedi blino. Tell me how you are feeling. Shwd wyt ti? I hope it's da iawn. Ble wyt ti? Dwi yn y cartre. I'm in the home. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg ar Facebook yn y cartre. Okay, today's lesson. Today we're going to learn a new word, which is hoffi. Hoffi. You try it. Hoffi. And hoffi means to like. Now then, you may also hear lico and licio. We'll stick to hoffi because many of you have got children in school learning Welsh or in Welsh schools, and they will probably in school say hoffi. So we know how to say I watch, dwi'n gwylio, I live, dwi'n byw, I drive or I'm driving, dwi'n gyrru. So I like, dwi'n hoffi. Try it. Dwi'n hoffi. And again, eto, dwi'n hoffi. Dwi'n hoffi. And if you know any Welsh at all, oops, camera, you've probably heard this phrase, dwi'n hoffi coffi. A chi, give it a go. Dwi'n hoffi coffi. So, I've got a number of props here. This is te, obviously Llun-Gwener, the Welsh tea. Dwi'n hoffi te. A chi, and you, a chi? Dwi'n hoffi te. Don't tell everybody that dwi'n hoffi pasta. Dwi'n hoffi pasta. Now then, cawl. Cawl. Cawl tomato. Dwi'n hoffi cawl. A chi? One more. This one, see my nice little plastic fish here? This one is pysgod. Maybe think of the word Pisces. Pysgod. Give it a go. Da iawn. Pysgod. So, how would you say, I like fish? Dwi'n hoffi pysgod. I give you the prop, you give me the sentence. Dwi'n hoffi pasta. Dwi'n hoffi te. Dwi'n hoffi cawl. Dwi'n hoffi pysgod. A little bit more choice. Rugby. So really easy. Tell me you like rugby. Dwi'n hoffi rugby. And bit more difficult. Pêl-droed. 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 So how would you say, I like football? Dwi'n hoffi pêl-droed. Now then, they are all items, but we can also use verbs. How would we say, I like shopping? Dwi'n hoffi siopa. I like driving. Dwi'n hoffi gyrru. And of course, I like learning Welsh. Dwi'n hoffi dysgu Cymraeg. Well, smwddio. Smwddio. In Welsh, we smooth the clothes. Smwddio. Try it. Smwddio. So I like ironing. Dwi'n hoffi smwddio. But today, we're going to become a little bit more negative. So, to say I don't, we say dwi ddim. Dwi ddim. Dwi ddim. Yeah, so we've seen ell, We've seen in the word chwech, and now we have th. 2 fingers and say th, and you should feel something here, not like th. So say I don't or I'm not. Dwi ddim. Dwi ddim. Dwi ddim. Okay, so I don't like. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. Now, we've been saying dwi'n hoffi, dwi'n gyrru, dwi'n gwylio Netflix. The word is actually yn, but it's just been abbreviated. It's like saying in English, I am, I'm. So we say dwi'n, but after ddim, we say the word in full. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. Try it. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. Eto? Dwi ddim yn hoffi. So back to my props. Tell me you don't like them. Dwi ddim yn hoffi coffi. Dwi ddim yn hoffi cawl. Dwi ddim yn hoffi te. True. Dwi ddim yn hoffi pêl-droed. Dwi ddim yn hoffi rygbi. Remember the difficult one? Dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. Who does? Dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. So, do you remember our wyt ti questions? Wyt ti'n hoffi smwddio? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi smwddio. Nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. Wyt ti'n hoffi smwddio? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi smwddio. Nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. Answer my questions in full. Ydw, dwi'n hoffi. Nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi. Wyt ti'n hoffi coffi? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi coffi. O, nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi coffi. Wyt ti'n hoffi rygbi? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi rygbi. O, nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi rygbi. Wyt ti'n hoffi smwddio? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi smwddio. O, nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. One more. Wyt ti'n hoffi pysgod? Ydw, dwi'n hoffi pysgod. O, nac ydw, dwi ddim yn hoffi pysgod. So important to put all the blocks together. If we know we can say dwi ddim yn hoffi, we can also say I don't watch. Try it. Dwi ddim yn gwylio. Dwi ddim yn gwylio Netflix. Tell me what you don't watch. How would we say I don't drive? Dwi ddim yn gyrru. Dwi ddim yn gyrru Fiesta. Dwi'n gyrru Corsa. Tell me about yourself. Da iawn. How would we say I don't read? Dwi ddim yn darllen. Dwi ddim yn darllen y Daily Mirror. Tell me what you don't read. And one more. I'm not shopping or I don't shop. Dwi ddim yn siopa. Dwi ddim yn siopa ar-lein. Usually, but at the moment, things are different. So, a quick recap for today. To like is hoffi. Few new vocabulary words. Pysgod. Cawl. Pêl-droed. Smwddio. Remember to have a look at our online resources. learnwelsh.cymru, the welcome courses, but also the digital resources we have to support these lessons. And Hoffi is actually an uned 2. Also, we're roughly following our entry-level coursebook, which can be purchased if you'd like to have a look at it on gwales.com. But we'll put that address up on the Facebook for you later. Hwyl, gwelech chi fory. See you tomorrow.